22 vets commit suicide a day. So now I do 2,202 push-ups a day. It's a full and total body workout. And you can always do it right then and there. I am White House Chef Andre Rush. I'm from Columbus, Mississippi, and I do push-ups for suicide awareness. I served the military over 20 years, and one of my soldiers actually committed suicide the day he called me. Since then, I've taken on a battle. I have PTSD, but fitness has played a role in my mental health in the same way as cooking. It's a release for me. Is there a stigma in mental health in the military? Absolutely. We're always thinking someone is going to think down on us, but there's so much we can learn from each other. Everyone that says, "Thank you, Chef," and I say, "Thank you back," they help me more than I help them. Energy spreads energy.